Audi RS Q8 2025, a blend of power and luxury. Opening scene. A sleek Audi RS Q8 2025 stands in a dimly lit garage. The camera zooms in on the aggressive front grille, LED headlights flickering to life. Narrator. Unleash the power of innovation with the 2025 Audi RS Q8, where performance meets luxury in perfect harmony. Cut to performance shots. The RS Q8 speeds down an open highway, the twin-turbocharged 4.0 LV8 engine growling. Narrator. Under the hood, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 roars with 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, launching you from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. Quattro all-wheel drive ensures precision handling, whether on city streets or the open road. Interior focus. The camera glides over the RS Q8's premium interior. Alcantara seats, carbon fiber accents, and a high-tech digital cockpit. Narrator. Step inside and experience a world of sophistication, with Valcona leather seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Every drive is a first-class experience. Technology and innovation. The touchscreen infotainment system comes to life, showing navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and driver assistance features. Narrator. Equipped with the latest MMI touch response system, the RS Q8 keeps you connected. Advanced driver assistance features, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, redefine intelligent driving. Closing scene. The RS Q8 drifts around a curve, then parks with a dramatic shot of the Audi logo. Narrator. The 2025 Audi RS Q8, a statement of power, precision, and prestige. Are you ready to take the wheel? End scene.